Hey, hello everyone. No intro today, just a super fast video. I created this NuGet package to use Claude in Azure with Microsoft.Extensions.AI. So I implemented the abstraction so you can use it right now. The package is in NuGet, it's in preview, but it's fine it's open source, of course. It's fun to test and use. And the whole idea is that I have this console application created here. Let's run the console. There it is. It's not doing anything. So doing a hello world. So let's add the package first. Then we go for elbruno, my name. Yes, there it is. Extensions.AI.Claude. I know better name is probably a good way to do it. And as part of the samples right now, it supports the implementation using default credentials or API key. So let's copy the default credential sample. By the way, the samples are included there. And I need to go here and get my endpoint. The one that I have Claude Haiku deploy here in Microsoft Foundry, and let's do, I always type this, Haiku, let's change the name, and we have here the question, which is the capital of France. So now if we run this sample, let's run this again. There it is, it's running, it's going to take some time, and we are going to see probably Paris as the output. There it is, the capital of France is Paris, and hey, now it's working. And hey, I don't want to do the API sample because you already have it here, but it's literally the endpoint, the name of the deployment, and also the API key. The usage is the same, and there is a lot of samples in the repo about more stuff that you can do. So give it a try, let me know what you build. Let's change the question, and let's do one question in Spanish, just in case. Resuelve el problema de 2 plus 2. Let's see what's Claude doing this in Spanish. So solve 2 plus 2. There it is, once again, the console in the other window. But as I said, give it a try. Let me know what you think. It's open source, so if you want to do something, clone, fork, do your pull requests, report issues, and more. Hey, there it is in Spanish, 2 plus 2, 4. I love it. Super fast, super easy. See you next one. Goodbye.